Hey guys, Devin from Boundary Ford. Today we're showing off this brand new 2022 F-450 Platinum. I'm going to walk through it and point out some of the wonderful features, and let's get right into it. Hope you enjoy. Starting off, under the hood, this beast is rocking a Power Stroke diesel engine, which in turn gives this thing 475 horsepower. Equipped with a towing capacity of 24,000 pounds, coming fully loaded with a fifth wheel tow package and an 8-foot box to make all towing jobs just more convenient. What more could you possibly want? And as we cruise our way down the side of the truck, we have Platinum Deploy running boards, Super Duty suspension, as well as SOS post-crash alert systems. This thing has everything. As we hop into the interior, with just a click of the button, we have memory adjustable seats, pedals, and mirrors, leaving with the ultimate comfort experience. Fully equipped with a 12-inch screen as well as wooden grain interior accents and ambient lighting, this truck will leave you feeling not only stylish, but up to date. Functional, practical, and handy are three things this truck is sure to offer. And of course, to get a closer look at this beautiful ride, make sure to stop by and check it out at your local Boundary Ford. Thank you for watching, and if you wouldn't mind, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see what more we have in store.